One day, Philip the elephant went outside to look for a friend to play with. Oh, I'm bored. Oh, I wish I had a friend to play with. Ho hum, ho hum. Well, soon, his friends Wilbert and Josephine came along. What you doing? Oh, guys, yippee! Someone to play with. Hey, should we play a game of telephone? Oh, yeah, that's great. Oh, that sounds like fun. All right, I'll whisper something in your ear, and then you can tell me what we said at the end of the line, Josephine. Okay, that sounds great. All right, here it goes. Oh, okay. I think this is what he said. Oh, okay. You said, yesterday I ate a lot of boots. No, guys. I said I ate a lot of roots. Oh, ow. Okay, let me go this time. I'm gonna start. Okay, here I go. Hey. Oh, all right, I think I got it. Oh, okay. You said I've got powers like a skunk. Oh, no. I said I like to pick flowers with my trunk. All right, guys, it's my turn. All right, I'll go over here. All right, you ready? I'm ready. Okay. All right. You said my eggs stink because of mold. No, I said my legs are pink because they are cold. Oh! They were having so much fun, the elephants couldn't stop laughing when along came a new elephant. Hey, what is your name? Oh, it's not important. I just heard you guys having a lot of fun, and you don't have to mind me. I'm new in town. Just pretend I don't exist. Oh no, come and play with us. Really? Yeah, we're playing telephone. It's really fun. Oh, I love telephone. Okay, why don't you take a turn? Oh boy, I sure will. Okay, I got something. Okay. All right, I'll try. What? Oh, okay. I have ants in my pants. Oh, wow, that's funny. No, I didn't say that. I said my aunt is from France. And so the 4 elephants had so much fun all afternoon. Hello there. Okay, it's me, Ellie. We have a 2-letter today. Yeah, there's a P and a H, and it's the 2-letter combo that says as in feather and foam. Okay, but there's not even a F in it. All right, and the 2-letter F, which is used in some words, I have a little F under there to help you code it so it makes it easier. There's our little elephant, which also has the 2-letter F in the middle of the word, and this is Philip. Okay, we're going to spell Philip. I. Okay, you remember I for Iggy. Iggy the iguana. I. Ooh, Phil. Phil. I. Philip. There you go. There's our 2-letter combo, our 2-letter F for Philip. Okay, voila. Okay, we are going to make a word picture. In our story, the elephants play telephone. And the 2-letter F is in the word phone and telephone and elephant. Okay, so we're going to do a fun word picture. Get out a dark marker, please. All right, assistant, here we go. Okay, I need the P. And I need the all right. And in this combo, you put a line under to remind you this is the 2-letter F. Okay? All right. Now, we need to start making our picture. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go in a diagonal, and then over, and then down in a diagonal, and then just close it up. Then put a big circle in there, really big, and a little circle inside of that. Okay, now we're going to make a little rectangle over here on the left, right there, good. And then jump over to the other side and do the same thing. And then start right in there and go up over. Okay, we're going to put a little wiggly cord. Up to there. All right, now I need a okay, and you need a silent E at the end, which doesn't say anything, so shh. Okay, put a silent E there. Okay, I need an orange marker. Thank you, assistant. You are so helpful. Okay, and color in the O for orange. Awesome. All right, there we go. Phone. And of course that doesn't say anything, so shh. There you go. There's the phone. And there's our picture of the cute little phone. All right, good job. Voila. Hi guys, it's me, Jerome. Okay, we're going to draw something really fun today. Okay, but first I'm going to review, just in case you're forgetting things. All right, the short E, for egg. Okay, kind of looks like an egg. All right, and the short A for apple, who you should know. She's a nice squirrel. She likes apples. Okay, A for apple. All right, here we go. So, sound it out. Ella. Okay, we need our 2-letter F. There it is. Ant. Elephant. Elephant. All right, we're going to draw an elephant today. Just like our story, we had a lot of elephants, and they were all playing telephone and laughing. Yeah, I played that game before. It's really fun. Okay, so get out a dark marker, and here we go. We're going to draw the top of the head going down to the trunk. Then we're going to draw a trunk. Okay, and coming in. All right, and then a little mouth. Okay, they're laughing. And a neck. All right, now we're going to go down, draw a leg, and over and up, and a belly, and down, and over, and up a little more, and a little tail. Okay, now stop. Okay, we're going to draw all the way up to about right there. So put a dot there, okay? Draw all the way up to there. Good. Okay, now we're going to put a dot right about here. All right, we're going to draw an ear. Okay, go down, kind of a waviness, up to the top of the head. Good job. Draw an eyeball, circle with a dot, and another half and a dot. Okay, you can give him some eyebrows if you want for expression. And then some texture on the trunk. Just use the very tip of your marker. Don't push down very much. Good job. Just barely touch it. And then we need another leg over here. And make it shorter and then go in. Okay, same over here. Shorter and then go in. Maybe some toes if you want. Okay, a little tail. Kind of got a little hidden there. Yeah, there you go. There's some shading. Okay, good job, guys. We drew an elephant. Good job. Okay, guys, we have another mystery two-letter as in feather. All right, here it is. It's a GH, and it says just like your PH. Okay, so here's a word. Laugh. Ha 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 ha. Like the elephants, okay? Remember? They always were laughing. Okay, so we're going to draw a big laughy mouth. Get out a marker. We're doing a lot of art today. Woo! Yeah. And draw another curvy line and some lines for teeth. Yeah, and then you color this in dark. And it kind of looks like, you're laughing out loud. Okay, laugh. Uh-huh. Ha 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 ha. All right then. So instead of our two-letter PH, which says we have another two-letter without even an F in it, and it is the GH. Zoom in, please. Uh-huh. Okay. So here's E for eagle. Don't forget his wings. All right. I have had enough. I've had enough. Oh, yes. Enough. And don't forget our list.